Hello, my name is Caitlin. Today I am going to teach you about the English verb feel and the English phrasal verb feel like and how to use them both correctly in English. Let's get started. The word feel is both a verb and a noun, but today we are going to focus only on the verb. Even just as a verb, feel has 3 definitions. Number 1 is to be aware of, touch, or being touched. For example, I can feel his hand on my shoulder. Number 2 is an emotion. For example, I feel tired after my run. Number 3 is having a belief, often without a reason. For example, I feel like Dave doesn't like me. Those are all dictionary definitions, which are great as a starting point. But to really level up your English, you have to go beyond the dictionary. You have to learn how real native speakers use words and phrases in their everyday speech. So here are some ways that I use the verb feel as well as the phrasal verb feel like in a more natural and native way. First of all, I would never say I feel tired. I would say I am tired. Even though tired is a feeling, I wouldn't use it with the verb feel. Let's look more closely at the phrasal verb feel like. This is a very common phrasal verb. Personally, I use it a lot. For example, I feel like I am tired because my bedroom was really hot last night and I didn't sleep well. Using feel like in this way is a way to introduce a possible explanation for something else. Another great and very common use of the phrasal verb feel like is to ask somebody if they want to do something or to say that you do or do not want to do something. For example, do you feel like going to the movies tonight? Because I feel like going out, but I don't feel like going to a bar again. I hope this quick lesson on feel and feel like was really helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them into the comments below. See you next time. Goodbye.